What's up everybody, it's Frankie D. I'm coming back at you with another software update on the Tesla. This one is really cool. It has a bunch of visual improvements for the menu and the map, which are greatly appreciated. It did need a little refresh. Also, it has a boombox function utilizing the exterior speaker on the car that's normally just used for summon and reverse sounds. It sounds like an alien sound, like a... Let's get into the software update and see what we can do. The Boombox. You can play current media outside. You can now replace your horn to play, for example, my favorite, La Cucaracha. There's all sorts of different ones right outside of the speaker.
Toss a coin to your witcher.
I don't know what that is. Goat sound, old horn. An applause. A ta-da sound. DJ. I'm gonna leave it on La Cucaracha. Driving sound. This will play over slower speeds. I like that one. Creeping along, Polynesian elevator music. Toss a coin.
When a humble bard graced a ride along with girls.
Rainforest. Rock and roll. Harp. Ice cream. Merry-go-round. Caribbean. You can also do the same thing for your summon sound. Emissions testing, you can also fart. A lot of cool new functionality with the speaker and the exterior of the car. Very cool stuff. I don't know why more car companies don't have more of a personality and more humor. As I'm creeping here, it's playing a driving sound. Low speeds. I'm going reverse. Whenever I save these sounds to the driver setting, I'm going to exit now and see if it follows. Alright, coming back in, and let's see if it's saved. And it did not. You have to turn both these on to replace it with. Which, I mean, it's cool. It is cool for a gag. If you're picking up your friends and you're like, you know, you honk that, and you plays the La Cucaracha song, that's funny, and I guess you would want to like turn it on for that specific moment. And yeah, you probably would not want the La Cucaracha song played if you're on the freeway or on the road. It wouldn't do anything. So I guess that's smart for them to do that. It's for gags right now apparently. Maybe they're just testing it out. But the summon sound seems to save, which I assigned for playing current song. Which let's try it. App out, summon, and go forward with it. Okay, so that worked. So also you can add up to 5 custom sounds if you connect a USB with the directory named Boombox on your solid state drive. So let's say I'm playing this song, I get out, it's already connected to my phone, close it, and then I want to summon it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it seems like it's only doing pre-programmed sounds that are already on the Tesla. Oh, I tried it. Sorry guys, if you get to work, let me know. Maybe it'll be in a software update where it'll work flawlessly. It's not right now, at least for me. Let me know what you find. Other than that, that was the latest update from Tesla. Let me know what you think in the comments.